Could this be the best of the men's clothing subscription boxes? It's possible. Hang tight and I'll show you what I got this month. Welcome to the Dad Bod. I'm Bill Sweet and I'm trying to help you elevate your style. Some days we have style tips and some days we have things like online clothing and accessory reviews, because not everything you order arrives just as good as it seems in the advertisements. I mean, go to any fast food restaurant and compare what you get to the picture on the menu. Today, we're checking out a men's clothing subscription box called Threadbeast. This is the third different clothing subscription box that I've tried so far. I started with Stately box and then I went to the Winston box. Both were disappointing. And now I'm trying out Threadbeast. Last month was my first box with them. I did have some items that didn't fit. Normally you would have to send them back and then wait for the exchange. With Stately Man, I would send them back and then they would send me the exact same sizes and then charge me if I needed another exchange. Of course I needed another exchange. You guys sent me the exact same sizes. Winston box sent me an exchange box with more stuff that didn't fit and then never sent me another box after that, but they kept charging me. Threadbeast told me to keep the items that didn't fit and then they would send my exchange in my next box. Now I don't expect that that's going to happen every time, but that does go to show that they do go above and beyond for their customers. So far. Just to note, they didn't know I have a YouTube channel. I order things from my personal email address because I want the same experience that everybody else gets, so that way I can show you what to expect. I don't want special treatment. So, that being said, let's take a look and see what we have. This is the Essential box, which contains 4 to 5 items at $85 per month. They do have several different price points and options for their boxes, but to save time, I'm not going to go into all of them again each month. I'll just put a link in the description for the video so that way you can check out all of their options that they have, and you could save $50 if you wanted to sign up. Saving money is always great. So this box is geared more towards streetwear clothing as opposed to professional attire, but I like seeing how I can blend these in with what I already own to make some awesome outfit combinations, which I'll show you guys a few at the end of the video. This box should contain the standard 4 to 5 items plus the 3 exchange items, because the classic shirt from last month's box was too small, the denim button-up shirt from last month's was too small, and then the classic shorts had a tear in them. We have a pair of crisp, ultra soft athletic boxer briefs, size extra large. We have a pair of Champion socks, a pink Dolphin 2XL shirt, a Jocks Manufacturing Company short sleeve gray with black polka dot shirt, a grizzly jacket with a hood. That looks a little bit more like a gummy bear than a grizzly bear, but I'll take their word for it. We have a Diamond 2XL shirt, short sleeve, a Carrots 2XL shirt, also short sleeve. So I have some bunnies that are living in my backyard. I wonder if wearing this shirt will make them more apt to let me pet them. They haven't so far, and I've been trying to bribe them with strawberries. And then lastly, we have this crazy red colored pair of shorts. Also by Jocks. They have a pocket in the back and pockets on the sides. So based on my math, that is the 4 to 5 items for this box, plus the 3 items which were the exchanges from last box. This shirt here is a little bit snug, so I'm probably going to have to send it back with an exchange. This one's also a bit snug, so I'm gonna have to send this one back as well. And the same with this. I kind of feel like Bruce Willis from the movie Unbreakable. I've paired these items with clothing that I already own. Check out what I came up with. Let me know in the comment section what you think. Do you like these or do you not? Would it be something that you would wear? Would you think it would look better with a different colored jacket, or maybe a pair of jeans or a different pair of pants? Obviously, I'm not trying out the underwear right now. They need to be washed first, and I've got no desire to strip on camera. You're welcome. Alright, don't go anywhere. Click this button right here to see some of my favorite videos so far, starting with my wedding ring review. It's made out of T-Rex bone. Yes, check it out, and I'll see you there.